Hey everyone, welcome to Aastha's Makeup Closet, where we wake up and make up for 30 and up. This is a traditional, I've tried to do actually, a traditional Bengali look with the whole kolka and everything. I'm by no means perfect, but not even close to perfect, but I just wanted to give it a try because the Bengali culture has always intrigued me and their weddings are absolutely beautiful. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. everyone. So this is the final look and the finished look. I hope you liked and enjoyed the process. It's slightly long. I'll try and make it as concise as possible, and I tried to make this as authentic as I could. um, I know, like, uh, being a Punjabi girl, there may be things that I would have done wrong. So I apologize for if I offended anyone by any mistakes that I may have done. But I think Bengali brides are absolutely stunning, and I wanted to create something like that. So if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. Um, every week at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and there are lots more looks to come, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and here's wishing you all the very best. See you later. Bye bye.